52. In Genesis chapter 1, we read about our creation. God speaks and he separates light from dark. He speaks and he separates the water from the land. He speaks and he creates the sun and the moon and the stars. God speaks and he calls forth the birds and the trees. But as we recap creation, God didn't use a hammer or a measuring tape. The only tools God used to create was his speech, because life is shaped by the words that we speak. Some of us say, well, we say this all the time, but clearly it only applies to God. Well, as we take a look at one of the most famous parables, the prodigal son, notice how he goes to his father, gets his inheritance, and leaves. But there was no fight. He didn't involve any lawyers. No paperwork had to be filled out. He simply went to his father, spoke, and asked for his inheritance, and he received it. This is because the words that we speak will shape our entire reality around us. So I encourage you, Group 52, this week and for the rest of your life, as you wake up in the morning, begin to speak what it is that you want to see in your life. If your kids are not acting right, wake up in the morning and say, I thank God that my kids are well behaved. Wake up and thank God that you have good health in your body. Wake up and thank God that you have all the finances that you will need. Wake up and just begin to declare, my beloved family member is no longer addicted to drugs. If you're lacking peace of mind, wake up. Thank God, rejoice, celebrate that you have all the peace you will ever need, that your life will be full of joy, that this will be a good day. Begin to speak what it is that you need to see in your life, because sound creates and words shape the reality around you. So thank you, Group 52. Speak what you need to see and have the best week of your life.